Watch me go, go, never slow, slow. Make 'em whoa, whoa. Watch me go, go, go. Watch me go, go, never slow, slow. Make 'em whoa, whoa. Watch me go, go, go. Ready, set, go.
Hey everybody, hi, it's Gretchen. How are you guys? Welcome to another premiere. As my opening said, this ghoul is still off grid. This girl, this ghoul. Yeah. So I thought since I had a disaster time getting a show recorded for you the other night, I would try again tonight. This hotel happens to have a little bit better internet and can upload, so we'll see how it goes, although I do have a funny light on my head. Hang on just a moment. Okay, that's better. I will try that instead of the funny light glow above my head. Yes, because I have enough of a sun glow on my face from the sunburn. Anyway, so welcome everybody to what should be 4:57, but it's 4:56. I can't believe I missed a show. But that's the way it goes, and we'll go on from there. But tonight, I thought I'd bring you a story, since it is getting close to that time of the year where last year I was heading to Day of the Dead in Oaxaca, and that was what that picture was at the beginning, was a photograph that I took in Oaxaca of one of the skeletons hanging out playing guitar. And I thought I would I found a cute little story that is just fun, that kind of goes with the upcoming Halloween and crazy ghouls and just goofy fun story. So that's what I have for you tonight. So let's see if I can get this to show on the screen share here. Go to this one. There. Ah, yay. There it is. Yes. Excellent. And it's showing. Ah, that's awesome. And the book is called Moldy Locks and the Three Scares, a zombie tale. It's by Lynn Marie and it's illustrated by David Rodrigue Lorenzo. And I'll tell you a little bit about them at the end. But it's always so much fun when somebody takes a classic fairy tale or whatnot and gives it a little bit of a spin to go with something else. And I thought that would be fun for tonight. Moldy Locks and the Three Scares, a zombie tale. And the illustrations are just too cute in this book. Look at the sun, the moonrise over the house, and how it's all set up, the color scheme, the whole bit. I love this, and how the moon has where the words are starting out. Moldy Locks and the Three Scares. In a huge haunted castle with a room enough for 4, there lived 3 scares. One chilly night, Papa sliced finger sandwiches and brewed a batch of alphabet soup. This recipe serves 4, just enough for 1 more. Mama prepared potions in the lab. I wish I had an assistant. And Baby swept bats from the bell tower. So much time and no one to play with. Time for a midnight snack, called Papa. He ladled soup into an enormous tub for himself, a middle-sized cauldron for Mama, and an itty-bitty bowl for Baby. This soup is too hot. It's boiling my bolts, groaned Papa. Oh, this soup's so hot, I'm unraveling, moaned Mama. This soup's so hot, it's giving me fang ache, squeaked Baby. Let's take Plasma for a walk while the soup cools, suggested Papa. Nearby, Moldylocks sleepwalked in the moonlight. The wafting scent of soup lured her through a maze of headstones. Her stomach grumbling, she came upon the haunted house. It smelled like home, something she hadn't enjoyed in a long, long time. Hello? No answer. The shutters clattered. The porch creaked. Moldylocks peeked, then tiptoed across the floor toward the kitchen. She sniffed the scent. She sipped Papa's soup. Oh, too hot. She swigged Mama's soup. Ugh, too cold. She slurped baby soup. Just right. And she gulped it all up. Her belly full, she wandered into the living room. She strapped into Papa's chair. Ugh, too hard. She sagged into Mama's chair. Oh, too soft. And she stooped into Baby's chair. Just right. Then snap, boom, the chair collapsed. Oh no. Moldylocks picked herself up and dusted herself off. Oh, yeah. Oh, she stretched and searched for a resting place. She slumped into Papa's bed. Ouch! Too hard. She squeezed into Mama's bed. Too tight. And lastly, she snuggled into Baby's bed. Just right. And she buried herself under the sheets and she fell asleep. Shortly after, the three scares returned. Somebody's been eating my soup, bellowed Papa. Somebody's been eating my soup, shrieked Mama. Somebody's been eating my soup, muttered Baby, and didn't leave a drop. Plasma barked and pointed toward the living room. The scares stared. Somebody's been sitting in my chair, thundered Papa. Somebody's been sitting in my chair, moaned Mama. Somebody's been sitting in my chair, murmured Baby, and now it's a pile of dust. Oh, Plasma tracked the intruder upstairs. The three scares shuffled behind. Somebody's been lying on my bed, boomed Papa. Somebody's been lying on my bed, groaned Mama. Somebody's dead asleep in my bed, screeched Baby, and there she is. How dare you eat without us, exclaimed Papa. I've always wanted another mouth to feed. Oh, you could be my lab assistant, mused Mama. My nightmares have been answered. Ooh, a playmate. Baby held out his teddy bear. Try that again. A playmate. Baby held out his teddy bear. Wanna play corpse and robbers? Sure, said Moldylocks. Mama hugged her. A little ghoul is perfect addition to the family. A little ghoul is perfect. Yeah. A smile spread across Moldylocks' face. From now on, everything was going to be just right. And they lived hauntingly ever after. And that's the story of Moldylocks and the 3 scares. Oh my goodness. Well, as you probably heard with me hopping in there in the quick, where I had to cough there a bit. Sorry, that's kind of zoomed in. I've had a cold and I caught it in there and it kind of went into my lungs. So anyway, that was Moldylocks and the 3 scares. I hope you liked that story. It's kind of fun. It's a fun little one. And yes, it's a short story time tonight, but with all premieres, there'll be another one. And hopefully you enjoyed that story and found it a cute one to add on to something else, Moldylocks and the 3 scares. It's just fun to take those little kind of regular stories that we all grew up with, Goldilocks and the 3 bears, and see how they're switched and spun around and everything. So tonight, that's my story for tonight. As you can see in the picture back there in the hotel room, I'm in a place outside of Yosemite. That's a print of an Ansel Adams print. So it's kind of a theme around here because he was so important in Yosemite. And by the time you guys see this, I will have been to the Ansel Adams Gallery in Yosemite tomorrow. I'm excited about doing that. So anyway, though, thanks so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed this story tonight and got a little bit of a chuckle. I know I heard Bob in the background chuckling away and laughing at it, but now I'm going to hop off so that he can watch the rest of the Husky game. Everybody, take care, and until next time, keep looking for the beauty hidden in plain sight. It's all around, but you know the first place you'll find it is when you go look in the mirror. And I'll catch you next time.
Not you, not her, not him or them gon' stop me from getting mine now. Not you, not her, not him or them gon' silence my rising inner child. And every time I look up in the sky, I know it'll be alright. Yeah. And every time I look up in the sky, I know it'll be alright. Yeah, gotta get mine.